So we are about to go up Black Balsam Knob, and as you can see today is a very busy day. We had to park on the side of the road. There's a lot of cars, but it's gonna be a really nice hike, beautiful view. Cannot wait to take you along for this journey. Guys, we made it to the trailhead. Yay! So right off the bat, there is a bear warning for this trail. It's kind of interesting. It's like we're walking on a railroad track with all the rocks again. Oh boy, going on. So this trail is 1.4 miles, a little over 300 feet of elevation gain. So it should be easy peasy, up and back, get a good view. It's gonna be fun. Juby is very excited today. He cannot help himself. This forest area right here totally reminds me of Round Balm. Oh, that glorious sun feels so good, doesn't it? It's like, what, 64 today, I think? It's beautiful. I absolutely love overlooks where you could see the road along the way, and these mountain layers are unreal. So you can see right here, we still have a ways to go. There are little ant-like people on the top. It's all uphill from here. Beautiful forest. That's what we were just in, right down there. Came out through, and now we came up this way a little bit, but we still gotta go all the way up there, and we're gonna go all the way across to that one.
Yes. Nice.
Juby's tuckering himself out. What do you think of all this climbing on the rocks?
It's fun.
Is this like your favorite kind of trail?
Yes.
Maddie, do you see it? That's the next big steep area.
Going up here. Thank you.
How can you beat a trail like this with a view like this? There's literally mountains on either side. We're on a ridge line. Up and down a little bit. We're about to hit our final push up to the top. It's gonna be a beautiful view. Cannot wait. This is it. The final ascent. Let's go, Juby. We are now at Black Balsam Knob, and it is amazing here.
drink the water again? Good boy, Judy. Look at these ears flapping in the wind.
Getting a really good view of the Blue Ridge Parkway from all the way up here. Weirdly enough, there is a gravestone right there on top of the mountain. I don't know. So we came up. That's the first overlook area. It's still at the top of the mountain. Not really much elevation change or anything. But on this side, you get this amazing view too. So from the top of this mountain, you can keep going and follow the ridge lines as it goes up and down throughout this mountain range. It goes forever. I was just looking at the map and I was like, this is crazy. All right, from this amazing summit, we're going to finish off this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video inspires you to get outside and adventure in the moment.